Today's date is 15th of December and the year is 2020 and today's day is Tuesday. So we are going to continue with our literacy lesson about signs and symbols. Yes, we'll learn about some more signs and symbols. So we have learned that these signs and these symbols, they give us information. Yeah, they tell us about something. Yes, so these different signs and these different symbols that we see around are coded in a specific color, yes, in a specific shape. Yes, some are round in shape, some symbols are drawn in a triangle, some symbols are drawn in a square, yeah, and they have different colors. Yes, some are red in color with a cross, some are green in color, some are yellow in color, some are blue in color. So now we will learn today what these different colors and shapes in the symbols mean. Okay, so let's have a look. Now this you must have very commonly seen. It's a circle and a cross, just one cross. Yes, it's red in color. It's a simple circle with a cross, and then there'll be some symbol inside this. So this symbol means that you must not be doing that thing. Okay, whatever is shown in the picture here, the symbol, that should not be done. Okay, let's take an example. So this sign is called prohibition signs, things that you must not do. Okay, see, this is a circle with a cross, and what is the symbol inside? It's of a person. Yes, so this means here no person is allowed. It's a cross. You are not allowed to enter. No persons are allowed inside. Yeah, this sign can be just outside any room, and it can mean that it's a specific area only for specific people and you are not allowed to enter. Yeah, so it's a prohibition sign. You must not do this. You must not enter. Yes, again, this is a very commonly seen sign. Yes, again, a circle, red circle with a cross, and what's the symbol inside? It's of a cigarette smoking, yeah? Of a cigarette. Yeah? A lit cigarette, so there's some smoke coming as well. So that means that in this area, smoking is prohibited. You are not allowed to smoke cigarette in this area. Yeah. So we have this no smoking zones in all the places, in public places, especially in restaurants, at airports, yeah, at railway stations, in a shopping mall. Yes. So you will see this sign so commonly. Yeah, so you should abide by these rules. When it says that you should not be smoking cigarette here, that means that this area, smoking cigarette is prohibited. You're not allowed. So if you see someone doing that in a prohibited area, you should just politely say, that you can see the sign over there. It says that you should not be smoking here. So they'll understand. Yeah, you can help them to understand the sign there if someone doesn't understand. Again, this is a very important one. Again, a red circle with a cross. That means, and what's the symbol inside? This of a mobile phone. That means that in that area, mobile phones are not allowed. You must not be using a mobile phone. So these signs, that is the red circle with the cross, simply means that you must not be doing the symbols that are made inside. Yeah, you must not be going in that room. Yeah, no person is allowed. It's an image of a person. You must not be smoking because it's an image of a cigarette with a cross. You must not be using a mobile phone because again, picture of a mobile phone with a cross. Yes, so these are prohibition signs. Now coming to the next one. Again, these signs are in shape of a triangle and they are yellow in color. They are called warning signs. Yeah, they are called warning signs. So these signs are usually there just to warn you, yeah, that there's some danger ahead. So you should be careful. They are also called as hazard signs. You see these signs very often. This is caution, where sometimes you're driving on the road and there's steep, speed breaker on the road. Yes, then you will see the sign, that caution, that you should go in a slow speed. Yeah, it's warning you beforehand. So you see, it's in a shape of a triangle, and it says the word also, caution. Then this sign is of a danger, that there's a danger ahead. Yeah, so it's warning you beforehand. So this yellow color are warning signs. You see the picture here? It's of a skeleton. So it is hinting you about some danger that is ahead. And this also, you see this very often in shopping malls. Yeah, if somebody is wiping the floor and you might skid, that is why they keep this warning sign out when the toilets are being cleaned. Yeah, and the floor is wet. So they keep the specific sign, wet floor. So they are warning you beforehand that you should mind your steps while walking because the floor is wet. Yes, so these are called warning signs. They are yellow in color, in triangle shape. Yes, so whenever you see the color yellow, you should know these are warning signs, and then you should look for the symbol, what it says. Then we have the ones in green. Yeah, we have symbols that are in green color, in square shapes, in rectangle shapes. They are just giving you some general safety signs. These are called general safety signs. And you see this in a shopping mall. And I'm saying shopping mall because I think that's the place that we visit the most. Yes, here in Haldwani. Whenever, if you go next time to Big Bazaar, look for these signs. You will see them. Yes, this is a sign which says that you should be going straight. Yeah, they're just hinting you about directions. They tell you that you have to go straight, keep moving straight. Yes, then this is that if you're looking for stairs, yes, they tell you that it is in a downward direction. Yeah, they're hinting you the directions. Yes, so this is some emergency exit. So if you want to exit, yeah, so these are emergency. The person is running, so he's exiting. So they are showing you the sign, where is the emergency exit. So in green, usually they give general safety signs, and usually they decode directions. Yes. Then we have some signs and symbols which are in blue color. Yes, they are circle, round and circle, and the symbols are drawn inside the circle, and they are blue in color. Now this means that you must be doing this. Yeah, the red one means you must not do with a cross, and the blue ones mean that you should be doing that. Yeah, they are called as mandatory signs. Yeah, you'll have this outside the door. It says the door must be kept closed. So this is an important door which must always be kept closed. Yeah, these are in some restaurants. I have seen this. The door must be kept closed. So you see, it's blue in color and circle. That means that you must be doing this. Yes. Then it says here, after drinking water, this is the drinking water sign. Yes, it's a tap water. Yeah, so it's showing you that water is available here, drinking water. Again, this is some information sign. Yes, so you must be doing it. So there's something written down and you must read and you must do it. Yeah, so these are some mandatory signs. So whenever you see signs in blue, you should pay attention because it says that you must be following those signs. Yeah, there are some symbols which are telling the rules over there. Just like here, the door must be kept closed. So if you just barge in, they will understand that you have not read the sign outside. Yeah, so when you see something in blue, you should take care of all the signs and symbols. Yeah, whenever you see the ones in blue, you should know that they are mandatory signs. The ones that you see in yellow, you should understand that these hinting me about some warning that is ahead. Yeah, they're giving you warning. Then we have symbols that are completely red in color, yeah, and they are usually only for fire safety. Yes, you will see these are there outside some big kitchens. You will see, yeah, it tells you that there's a fire extinguisher here. See, this is a fire extinguisher sign, and they'll just caution you that this area is, fire prone, danger prone. So usually fire safety signs are completely in red color. Yeah, so these were about signs, children, and we learned today about coding different colors and shapes of different signs and symbols and what they actually mean.